Hello everyone, my name is Sauramaiti and today we are going to do the 8th lesson of our course, that is HTML images. Today we are going to read how HTML images are set, about its attributes, its properties, and how we can link an image to our website. So let's start our topic. HTML images syntax. What is the syntax that we can use to define an image? The img tag is used as a image tag. So img tag is empty. It contains attributes only and does not have a closing tag. Always remember this, it is never closed at the end. It consists of src attribute, that is source attribute. It contains the url of the image, that is the image where it is stored. So the syntax is this: image src means source is equals to double quotes url alt is for alternate text, that is if the image is not present in the folder then the alternate text will be displayed. Alt is equals to some text. Style is equals to, we define the attributes. Width, we define the width. Height, we define the height. So these are the attributes that we set for the image. Now moving forward, we define what is the alt attribute. The alt attribute provides an alternate text for an image if the user for some reason cannot view it. So this is the theory part of the alternate attribute. Like you have given an image of a smiley, but the smiley is not you are not able to view the smiley, so the alternate text smiley will be displayed. Like for example, here in the example we have done image source equals to wrongname.gif, alt is equals to html5 icon, style is equals to in double quotes width colon 128px, then semicolon, height colon 128px semicolon. This is how we define the alt attribute. Now we move towards the image size, that is width and height. What are the values of width and height? These are specified usually in pixels or percentage. What is the use of width and height? It is used to define the size of the image, how much broad or how much height in length you want of the image. Suppose you want an image at the around the whole screen or at a small space around the screen, you can also set that. So these are the attributes of the image that you can set. Let's study how we can set this with this example. Image source is equals to html5.gif, alt is equals to html5 icon, style, this is the style attribute that you can set, is equals to double quotes width 128px, height 128px. These are the image size attributes that you can set. Now move towards the forward, how we can connect an image in another folder. Suppose you make a website, you save all the attributes, means the documents, in a single folder. If the image is in some another folder and you want to take it, so you have to name the subfolder also. If it is not specified, the browser accepts to find the image in the same folder as the web page. However, it is common to store images in a subfolder. You must then include the folder name in the source attribute. How we can see do that? Let's see that from this example. Image source is equals to in double quotes we write /images. This is the folder name / this is the image name html5.gif. Then in alternate we write alt is equals to html5 icon, style is equals to width 128px, height 128px, and then close tag. So this is the html image in another folder. How we have set this, let's see once again. /images, this is the folder, /html5.gif, this is the image name, image folder name, image name. So this is the simple syntax that we have seen. You can try this yourself in the notepad and see how you can connect an image in another folder. Now let's see how can you connect an image in another server. Some websites store their images on image servers. Actually you can access images from any web address in the world. How we can do that? Let's see that how we can access another images from another server. Image source is equals to https colon /www this and this folder name, this image name, alt is equals to this. So this is the text how you can access the image on another server. Now let's read about something about animated images. What are animated images? The GIF image is the standard animated image. So GIF, you know, it is a type of saving image like PNG, GIF, JPEG. These are the types. This GIF is used for animated images. You might have seen in the current world that you have got many WhatsApp text of GIF images. These are the example of that. So how to set GIF images? Let's see that. Image source is equals to programming.gif, alt is equals to computer man, style is equals to width 48px, height 48px. So this is how you set a GIF image. Now we can learn about how to set an image as a link. We have studied this in our previous lesson also. Let's revise it once again. To set an image as a link, we need to use the image tag inside the A tag. A tag is for the link tag. Let's see how we can do this. Href is equals to default.asp. This is the default address that we are going to open when we click the image. Then this is closed triangular brackets, then new triangular brackets. Image source is equals to smiley.gif, alt is equals to HTML tutorial, style is equals to width 42px, height 42px, border 0, means there is no border around the image. Then we close this and then we close the A tag. This is how we set the image and as a link. When you click over this image that is present in your any website, then you are targeted towards the new tab. So these are the uses of image. You can use these images as a target link also. So these are the benefits of using image as a link. Now let's study about floating images. What are floating images? Sometimes you have seen in some websites images are floating from one side to another side, like from left to right or right to left. How can we do that? Let's study about that. What are the different properties or the different syntax we need to apply on this? Let's study about that. P tag, image source is equals to smiley.gif, alt smiley face, style. For making an image floating, we need to use float right, means it will float from right to left, width 42px, height 42px. This image will float from right to the text, so this will flow from right of the text to left. So and again we can set it as image source is equals to smiley.gif, alt is equals to smiley face, style is equals to float left, means it will flow from left to right, width 42px, height 42px. This image will float to the left of the text. So these are the floating images that we have studied. Let's take a summary of the course lesson that we have studied today. We have studied about how images are set, what are the properties that we can set about the images, how to link an image, how to make an image on another folder, how to make an image on another server, and how to set images as a link, and how to make images floating. And these were the topics that we have covered today. Hope you like all the topics and the lesson. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on the comment section. Thank you.